Mga ka-Smarty, binisita nga pala namin tong ongoing project dito sa Lemery, Batangas, and this one's being developed as a rest house. Instead of traditional construction, they used 5 patented luxury containers from Smart House para buuin yung buong structure. And kahit containers, makikita mo yung pulidong build at maayos na layout. Sa space na to mga ka-Smarty, mayroong 3 rooms. May sariling areas talaga for privacy which works well kung pamilya or group yung gagamit. Hindi rin dikit-dikit yung pakiramdam. May enough space bawat room para maging comfortable yung bawat stay nyo. Bukod pa dyan, meron din tong 2 restroom. So mas practical siya and hassle-free lalo na kung maraming gagamit. And since naka-full glass to sa harap, nagkaroon talaga ng character yung buong structure. Mas maliwanag, mas open at hindi mabigat sa pakiramdam yung space. Aside sa modern yung look, focus din sa pagiging livable at functional. From concept to actual builds, Smart House got you! Remember, you're only one message away on your dream project. Contact us now!